Hey guys, this is Jordan from RC. Today is a beautiful day to fly a couple of jets. Why not better to celebrate the new year with flying a fighter jet right here, my F-16 and my twin liner. This will fly first, get some practice on the sticks. This is from, or sold by, it is a twin 40mm EDF. And right now I got it powered off of a 4S 2200 right there. It is XT60 connector, but the IC3s work just fine connecting to them. Other than that, we'll probably fly for about 3 minutes on that 2200 pack, see where our voltage is at. No wind today at all, sunny. It's a perfect day to fly. All right guys, enjoy. The steering radius is really nice on this, really tight steering radius. But all right, here we go. Wow, just like that, pretty easy. I stalled it, and I thought I could recover by myself, and that wasn't the case. But let's go check out the damage. Honestly, I think we're gonna fly this again, guys. The nose is smushed, but really not bad. I was yanking and banking a little bit too much there. Battery's okay, just need to re-tape that. But, wow. All right guys, I think we're going back up again. And she glides. You know, if you had to cut power or your battery went into low voltage cutoff, or the ESC did, and you're high enough, you could probably dead stick land this. Alright, let's see. Yeah, if you yank it too much, you'll put yourself into an accelerated stall. Battery's a little warm. Just about storage voltage, 3.83 average with one cell a little lower, 3.1. Alright, let's go ahead and bring it in for landing. Four minutes and 14 seconds. Oh, just at 3.8, just about. Yeah, so another pack was like 3.88, but I did fly for about 45 seconds less. But overall, both packs perform well, and I'm real surprised this thing took the beating that it did with the silly mistakes that I made. I'm happy it's in one piece. I mean, you can't ask for a better day. So this thing really is worth the money. I believe it was about, I don't want to say the wrong price, but it was a couple $100. Definitely bigger than like a standard like UMX style, but small enough you can still put the whole thing in your car without, you know, taking it apart. So yeah, no missing fan blades, just a lot of cosmetic damage I need to fix up, and we'll go from there. All right guys, so after those flights with the twin liner 40mm, it's time to move on to my free wing F-16 90mm 8S version, the high performance version with the different in-runner. I did buy a 5280 RC afterburner. Something happened with the control module, and they're sending me a new one to replace it, so awesome of them to do that, appreciate that. So that's still back there because of the extra weight in the back. I just moved my batteries up a tad bit more, and today is going to be a full ordnance flight. We got to check control surfaces, ailerons left, right, elevator up, down, rudder left, rudder right, and then of course, got safe enabled, got some air brakes here. And yeah, so the only thing I've had to do so far to this was replace the rudder servo, or the vertical stab, whatever you want to call it, servo. It's a metal geared one that was in the original, but it was making some crunchy noises, so, and that was during a pre-flight. So again, always pre-flight everything. And it sounded funny, obviously it was still working, didn't want to worry about it in the air. So just put in a aileron servo from one of my older MiG-29s, and it's all good to go. So I'd get those gears pulled up. Full speed. Bring her back around just underneath the sun. It's about half throttle. Wow. Beautiful. Increased throttle when turning. Can really turn on a dime. Okay, let's bring gear out. Everything's out. Let's go ahead and bring her in for a landing. I know I got time left, but whoa, that was a bad turn. Almost stalled it. Alright. Cutting throttle. Gonna let her come down with some speed. All right, I had about 38 seconds left, full throttle, 52 seconds. Let's whip her around and see what we're at. Good turning radius on this F-16 as well. And you gotta love that landing gear. I mean, that stuff just absorbs the little bumps, the big bumps, everything very nicely, especially compared to the E-Flight F-16. Adding the full ordnance, you do lose speed, and you add extra weight, but I mean, it's awesome. You really cannot go wrong with flying with them. All right, this is the 2S 5000. We're at 3.82, good enough for me. And right here, same, about 2 or 3 points. The 6L is 3.83. What was this one again? All right, just the same. And that's storage voltage, which means I don't have to storage charge these when I get home. That last flight, no frame losses, no holds. It was a great flight. These are the Admiral Pro 4S packs, 4S 5000s. They are a little bit higher performing than the regular Admirals I had in there before. I don't generally do the series in 6x2 configuration like that, but it was cheap and I wanted to give them a shot. Now I know I won't do it again. Nothing wrong with them, they just I just don't like that really. Beautiful takeoff. Just so much fun, guys. We're gonna fly underneath the sun, not lose track. Good. Coming back around. That was about 50% throttle. Look how stable that is. Wow. We got 3. Let's bring her in for landing, guys. $11 seconds left, about 30 seconds full throttle. I should have a lot more juice compared to the other pack, but let's see. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed those flights. A couple of mishaps in the beginning, but overall led to an awesome flight with this F-16. I know I always say that MiG 29 is like my favorite, but this is a close #1 right here. Enjoy the new year, enjoy flying, enjoy being with your family. That's what's most important, right? All right, guys, catch you later.